With Doubtnut, get instant video solutions to all your maths, physics, chemistry, and biology doubts. Just click the image of the question, crop the question, and get instant video solution. Download Doubtnut app today.
Hello everyone, question here. Each question contains statement 1, that is assertion here, and statement 2 is a reason. So examine the statement carefully and work the correct answer according to the instructions given below. Okay, so statement first is that ZSM5 is a type of zeolites used as a catalyst in petrochemical industries. And the statement 2 here, that zeolites are microporous aluminusilicatesthree, three-dimensional network silicates in which some silicon atoms are replaced by the aluminium ions. Okay, and we have options here for this, in which statement is true and which statement is false here. Okay, so let's find out which one is correct here. As given here in statement 1, that ZSM5 is a type of zeolites, right, that use as a catalyst in the petrochemical industries. Okay, so first of all, the ZSM5 is a zeolite, right, is a zeolite catalyst which used in the petrochemical industry because it convert alcohol, right. Zeolite used in petrochemical industry as it converts, right, it converts alcohol directly into a gasoline, right, which is petrol, right, directed to gasoline, which is petrol, right. And why they are used as a zeolites, used as a catalyst in the petrochemical series, because these type of catalysts have high porosity, right, they have high porosity, due to which they used as a catalyst in the petrochemical industries. Okay, and here reason is zeolites are microporous aluminum three-dimensional network silicates in which some silicon atoms are replaced by aluminium atoms. As here statement 1 is correct and statement 2 here is also correct here, right. Why the statement 2 is saying that zeolites are the microporous aluminosilicates, right, aluminosilicates that is the formula for this Na2O atoms, right, in which the sum of the silicon atoms are replaced by the aluminium atoms, right, are replaced by aluminium atoms. Okay, so here zeolites are the microporous aluminosilicates, three-dimensional network silicates in which some silicon atoms are replaced by the aluminium atoms are correct here. But here statement 1 and statement 2, here statement 2 does not explain this statement 1 here. Okay, so this does not explain this. Okay, so only statement 1 and statement 2 are correct here. Okay, so option 2 is the correct answer for this. Both statements are true, but statement 2 is not the correct explanation of statement 1. Okay, thank you.
For class 6 to 12, IIT JEE and NEET level. Trusted by more than 5 crore students. Download Doubtnut app today.